Today we're gonna make a chewy chocolate chip cookie with one little twist of flavor. And the best part about these is you can bake them straight after mixing them. So no chilling necessary. None. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new and delicious recipe. Let's get into it. Super easy. Now, I've got my butter in my stand mixer already, and I have what now? Already softened it. I know. Oh man, feels good to be alive. So go ahead and pop this in there, and we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar. So I have granulated sugar, and then I have light brown sugar that it's like a little bit hard, so I popped it in the microwave for just a second with a little damp piece of paper towel on top. Do make sure you moisten your towel, otherwise it's just gonna make it harder. I get that in there. It will reharden, so know that. And we're gonna mix this just until it's kind of a paste and it's combined. That's the secret here. You want soft, pliable butter, but it's not room temperature, and you want to mix it just until it's like a thick paste. Go ahead and add your egg and your vanilla. Now, while that is mixing, we can quickly mix together our dry ingredients. I've got AP flour, cake flour, baking powder, and baking soda. And then cinnamon. It's a secret to these cookies here. Okay. Give these a little whisk. You don't want clumps of baking soda or anything. All right, now we're gonna slowly add our dry ingredients. On low speed. You don't wanna wait until it's totally combined to start adding the next round. You don't wanna overmix them. You just want to get it in there in a slow, steady fashion. And then when it's pretty much all incorporated, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. And that's it. And now we've got a beautiful chocolate chip cookie dough. Now, you know what the best part about these is that you don't have to chill the batter before you bake them. You have choices. You can certainly make your, dough balls, put them in the fridge or in the freezer and bake them from either of those places, but you could also bake these right now, which is what we're gonna do. Woo! Now I'm gonna make some large and in charge cookies. You can make smaller ones. We can't be friends anymore, but you can. Wow. Okay. All right, now we are ready to bake these bad boys. They are large and in charge, and I'm here for it. We're gonna pop them in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees convection. If you don't have a convection, that's cool. 375 is great. And then we're gonna put them in there right now. And they're out. They baked 12 minutes exactly from not chilled at all, like directly. And then they baked about 15 from frozen. So these are from frozen, and these are from room temp. They look basically the same, which means you're in for a treat no matter what. So we gotta let them cool just like a little bit, just a small amount, and then we can eat them. So make sure they puff up, they look beautiful and golden brown, and then they'll kind of like fall and settle as they cool. It's time to try. I am so excited. I can't even choose which one's my favorite. I feel like it's you. I mean, like let's just take a gaze upon her. She's not the roundest of the bunch, but she looks great. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you see? Your chocolate chips are still a bit melty. Oh wow. It's crunchy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. It's like packed with chocolate chips. And like, you don't really like notice the cinnamon but it's just this like rounded flavor that's just, it's just there, and it just makes it so delightful. This cookie's everything.